morning, YouTube! Happy New Year, first off. It is a new year. It's a brand new me, brand new you, whatever. Your boy doesn't really do New Year's resolutions because we all know it don't really work out. So, I just focus on doing better. That's it. Today's also special for a good reason. It is my dog's Bailey's birthday. She is either 12 or 13, somewhere around that ballpark margin. So I know at some point we'll have to go to the store. We're going to get some stuff to make her a peanut butter pumpkin homemade birthday cake. I really want to do a prank today. I do. I just don't know on who, nor do I know what prank I want to pull. I just know I want to pull a prank. Well, seeing as this new year we are diving headfirst into it, I guess it's time to go to Walmart. So guys, we are at Walmart right now getting a couple things for a prank we're gonna pull on Kelsey's little brother and sister. Roll the clip.
Yeah.
Calls for some big balloons, and I mean, these are standard balloons, but 12 inches. And for this prank, we're filling a cereal box, so I don't know if 12 inches is the exact size we need. So we're looking for a big balloon. And Kelsey has found it, the 17-inch round balloon.
Alright.
Check. And we got the Cool Whip.
We got the Cool Whip.
We got the Cool Whip.
We got the sprinkles.
We got the Crunch Berries. And we got the
Alright, here we can go.
Now, get the hell out of here, because I hate Walmart. I really do. I only shop here at night for a reason.
Wait, we need Bailey's party hat.
And oh yeah, it is my dog's Bailey's birthday today, so make sure you comment and tell Bailey happy birthday. She is 12 or 13 years old today. We're not exactly sure. We didn't have her when she was a puppy. We got her about when she was 6, 7, or 8. Her previous owners weren't too sure. They didn't seem too sure. So it's a ballpark guess. As I was saying though, I can't stand Walmart. I can't stand shopping at people hours. I like people. I'm like a people person, but it's yo, a confetti blaster. Do not shoot at humans or animals. So, we tend to break some rules here and there though. My homie out here posting up. What you doing, bird? You good, bro? I don't think he's good. Oh, alright. Bye. Alright guys, so we're now leaving Walmart, thank God. We are on our way now to pick up Kelsey's little brother and sister, ages 10 and 6. Prime pranking age if you ask me, but then again, what age isn't prime pranking age? So the plan is to bring them over to our house for a few hours, send them out to play, let them ride their bikes or whatever. While they're doing that, we're gonna set up this prank. They have they're not suspecting anything. They don't know if there's a cake. They would have no reason to suspect a prank of any kind because we've honestly never really pranked them. I scare them a lot and I mess with them, but pranking, this is a new level.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Miss Bailey.
Now you get a cupcake.
You gotta have her like blow out her own flame.
Okay.
I said it's
Do you have a
gonna
lighter?
turn out. What are you doing?
Lighting Bailey's candle. Let's sing happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bailey. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Woo! Yay!
She said, give me it. She the whole thing. Hey, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. As in nice here. Can we give Kylo one sissy or no?
Yeah, you can do Kylo.
Can I give Billy one?
Tell him sit.
Sit.
Get Bailey another one.
I know. Sit.
Ooh, this one has a lot of frosting on it.
I tell Bailey sit. Go. Bailey sit. He's, Sissy, look, he's like, I don't want it. Sissy, look, he's like, I don't want it.
You want to come give Bailey a piece?
Look, he's like,
Well, that's his own problem.
leave it, leave it.
Hey guys, got the directions here. So, start by, they have a knife and I'm just not doing that, and scissors, I'm more about speed and precision. So, first step looks like so. Bam. Step 2, done. Step 3, place the balloon in the box. Okay, this is the part. This is the part I don't like. Okay, I don't like balloons. I've had many a balloon just spontaneously pop while I'm blowing it up. It scares me. You get your heart rate going, get your blood pressure up. You sweat a little bit. You might poop a little. I don't know. All I know is your boy and balloons are not the best friends. So here goes nothing. Hopefully, because these are bigger balloons, maybe they won't tend to explode spontaneously. Well, I'm already getting scared. See? Balloons don't like me. We're right. Can we just use the pre-made balloon we blew up? I don't like balloons. Okay, well, now that I'm sopping wet, thank you, we can continue on with our pre-made balloon. Step number 4. Tape the balloon into the box, like so. By the way, why is it a reoccurring theme that I have been wet with my clothes on in every single one of these vlogs so far? This better not be a continuous thing. With your balloon taped in your box, like so. See? It literally says, just frost the whole thing. And then ask the victim to cut it, and then boom! Now this is the part where it's kinda gonna get messy, I think. Because, you know, we have these utensils and stuff, you know, you can scoop it out, and you know, slowly at a time, just start scooping frosting and whipped topping in. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to use my hands. Yeah. If this pops on me, I swear, if this pops while I'm doing this, I'll be pranked by my own prank. This is so cold. My hands are numb. You could have at least like left it out.
I didn't know it was so frozen. It's not so bad.
Ow! It's like ice cream, literally.
It's still frozen.
I'm gonna get some shaving cream.
Oh my god, yes.
This is a perfect example of one of those things, you know, where on the picture and the directions, it seems so easy to do. In your minds, we can't mess this up. I don't know what this is. I don't think I'd question it if I was a little kid, but like...
It's this mountainous cake. You can tell it's a balloon right now.
Not really. Besides for that.
Exactly.
Alright, so our little brother is knocking at the door right now, so we're gonna do this live.
Come on in, look at what we did for you guys. It's a giant ice cream cake. But wait, hold on, I'll let you cut it. Give me a second. Don't touch it.
I cut it.
You can cut it.
Okay, use this and you can cut the cake. What? Yeah, go ahead. That way you guys can have the good cake before we make Bailey's
I
cake
want to
piece.
cut the cake.
Here, come over here.
Help her.
Dog.
Get close to it.
No, this one's your guys' cake.
This is real. This cake's real.
No,
Come on.
I need help.
You gotta cut hard.
Ice cream. Oh. God. I didn't do it. What was that for? Hey, what was that for?
It's a joke.
Hey, sprinkles.
Don't eat that. What is it? It's a mayo whipped cream cheese.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, today was fun with the pranks and Bailey's birthday and the Bailey montage. Happy birthday, Miss Bailey. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Each vlog is getting a little bit better in its own unique way. I am trying to talk, okay? I know, it's your birthday, it's your special day, I do. But, regardless, stay positive, be the best you can be, no room for negativity, you know the spiel, like and subscribe, see you guys tomorrow.